In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your very own brush in Blender's Grease Pencil. This process is a wonderful opportunity for artists seeking to tailor their tools exactly to their creative preferences. We'll walk through duplicating an existing brush and giving it a new name, ensuring your workflow is both personalized and ready for action. Let's get started by selecting the Grease Pencil Draw tool. This is an essential tool for artists who are looking to create detailed drawings and animations directly in Blender. Once you've selected the Draw tool, focus your attention on the Active Tool and Workspace Settings tab. You'll recognize it by the useful icon that looks like a combination of a screwdriver and a wrench. Click on it to access a variety of settings that will help customize your workspace. Within this tab, you'll want to locate the Brush Assets panel. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the hub of your brush customization journey. Here you'll find a list of brush presets you can work with. We're going to base our custom brush on one that's already available, so go ahead and select a basic brush to start with. A good choice for many users is the ink pen brush. It offers a nice balance that can serve as a solid foundation for further customization. With the ink pen brush selected, look around for the Add Brush button. It might also appear as a number next to the brush name. This option allows you to create a duplicate of the brush you've selected. By clicking this, you're essentially making a copy of the brush, which you can then modify without affecting the original. Now that you have your duplicate brush, it's crucial to give it a new name. Renaming is especially important if you plan to create multiple custom brushes, as it keeps everything organized and easily identifiable. Choose something descriptive that will remind you at a glance what this brush is customized for. An example could be My Custom Brush, but feel free to name it based on how you plan to use it, like textured lines or soft shading. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated and renamed a brush in Blender's Grease Pencil. This newly created brush is now a blank canvas for further customizations, whether it's adjusting size, texture, or any other attributes the Grease Pencil offers. Tailoring your brushes can really transform how you work in Blender, making your artistic process more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps elevate your creative process.